Hey everybody, this is Doc Aaron Taylor with Dr. Auto Spa, Custom Detail and Ceramic Coatings. It's been a long weekend, just wrapping up on this really nice Silverado. She came in here, had some scratches going on the paint. That required a stage 2 paint correction. Then we polished it with a polish. The chrome's been detoxed, chrome polish. We also have the weather defective Defender Pearl Nano heavy duty coating, ceramic coating all over the chrome, all over these rims right here. Here's more of a close-up picture. You can see the reflection. This is another car that we've just got through coating on the other end. There's a Mustang, but you can see that nice pure reflection of this black paint going all the way down. It's a wrap. This was a pleasure doing. We really enjoyed it. Hit us up, drautospod.com.